Hello, good morning traders and welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester. Today on this video, after taking a few days off, let's go to have another live trading session with binary options. And the process of this video, let's go to explain how to use this strategy and the way that I made money to can have these days off in Europe. Let's rock with this video. Hey guys, my name is Lester and welcome to the next way trading. Today, let's go to have a good live trading session with the two-way strategy for binary options that I created on the last month. The idea of this strategy is working using only two indicators, and this one moving average period 20 and the stochastic oscillator. We are going to see the chart in 1 minute. To have more opportunities to trade with this two-way strategy for binary options. The way that we are going to use it is the simple method that I tell you before. So we are going to have the one moving average period 20 and my exponential moving average and the stochastic oscillator. And the process and the way we are going to trade is the moment the crossing going follow the trend we are going to trade. For example, here cross set going up and previously crossing with inside our stochastic oscillator, so I'm waiting for the crossing and taking a good opportunity for a call. But if you notice, we have a downtrend, a short downtrend. So we have a downtrend here that tell me I can trade for a put here the moment the crossing the stochastic oscillator going down and it's above the period 80. That is the best moment to trade for a put. And we can see that this pattern repeats again here and again here and again here. And here we notice crossing the stochastic oscillator but never crossing inside our moving average period 20. So for me, that is better never take it. You can see it here again, cross it going up, but never is going to cross it going up the moving average period 20. So what this means, we are waiting for good opportunities just for follow the trend. So if you're only take it the signal, follow the trend, we need to wait for three things. We need to have, for example, in this case, let's go to see what type of trend we have. An uptrend, we need to wait for a signal for a call. And we need to wait here crossing going up or crossing inside or my two lines here, period 80 and 20. So we are going to wait for that patterns. Crossing the stochastic oscillator and crossing to my moving average. So we have here a downtrend. Let's go to have a good live trading session today with this two-way strategy for binary options. And with the patterns we need to follow is avoid volatile markets, only trade, follow the trend, and we can have a better results on our trades and trade for 3 minutes with this two-way strategy for binary options. And we are going to see a better results on our trades if you follow these simple steps. With this two-way strategy for binary options, I never said it's the 100% effective strategy for binary options, but definitely is a good one. It's gonna help you to get a better results in your trades with these strategies. So let's go to wait to see how ending this day with this two-way strategy for binary options. And I'm gonna share with you always my results on this video. And try to see the way to generate profits with this two-way strategy today. So wish me good luck. I gotta leave it with this video with this live trading session today, and I hope so make money with binary options. Wish me good luck. So I'm gonna stop right now this live trading session. I think we ending a good profits, and right now I start the news. I'm gonna stop it and continue later with another live trading session. I'm gonna record in all my day today, how I start and how I end my day with this strategy for binary options. Right now I'm gonna stop it. The news is gonna start in a few minutes. So the market looks so volatile in this moment, so I'm gonna decide, stop it, and waiting in for another schedule to have a better results with this live trading session with binary options in the two-way strategy for 3 minutes for beginners. So if you had your questions, leave it below in this video, comment this video. No, don't forget your smash, and see you in the next wave.